Hello, so this is how you attach the handset holder to the Seating Matters chair range. So this little bracket also comes with two screws that attach it to the side of the arm. And the positioning of this bracket is 4 inches from top to top of handset holder and 5 inches from the front of the arm to the front of the handset holder. So once you have measured those up, then simply screw into the upholstery of the chair as such, ensuring it is fully aligned, and then that is the handset holder free to use.